Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this blush from the brand Formula Z Cosmetics. It's the mini blush in the shade Class Act that I got in my November 2022 Ipsy glam bag. So this is a sample version. The full size is actually part of a palette that retails for $32, like a face palette. And so I'm excited to try this out because I love blushes, but this brand I have tried out a couple palettes from, but I'm not too familiar with it. However, this blush sounds so nice because it's supposed to give radiance to the skin as well. It talks about light reflecting particles to give a glow to the skin, which sounds great to me, but when I look at it in the packaging, it just looks like this matte blush. So let's go ahead and start out with a swatch. Ooh, it does have a nice velvety feel, very soft. Oh my gosh, that is so light. See the color of it, but then the swatch like barely shows up. I'm gonna have to probably build this up a lot, which is never really the case with a blush. I feel like I'm always using too much blush, but this has barely any color to it, and my skin is so fair. So if this is barely showing up on me, I don't really know how this is working out for people. It doesn't look glowy on my hand. It really doesn't look like much of anything on my hand. But let's go ahead and try it out. I'm actually going to choose more of a densely packed brush here because I can use a heavy hand with this, so let's see how it goes. I kind of feel like, if anything, the natural redness in my cheeks is now peeking through more from underneath my makeup. I just picked up a lot more on the brush, and I'm going to try and build this up. This is not going well. I'm picking up so much on the brush now to try and get it to show up, and I feel like it's really not showing up as much as it kind of looks like it is because of the redness in my cheeks, but I'm getting no light reflecting radiance to this. Yeah, this is not looking great. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of bring it over my nose. I have less redness in my nose, so let's see. Even still, the shade I think is also just very similar to the natural redness in my cheeks, so it's not like my favorite blush shade to wear. I think if I tap it, push it into the skin like this, that's the best method, and I feel like I've never had to work so hard to get blush to show up. And now that it is showing up, it really does not look radiant on the skin. It's looking very matte and dull on the skin, honestly, not at all radiant. If this even had a little bit of glow, a little bit of a highlight effect to it, and I could even just use it as a highlighter, a blush topper, even if the blush shade itself didn't show up, then at least there would be that use out of it. But no, it's very matte, hard to show up, not a great shade on me, and a very dull finish. So I am definitely not a fan of this blush, not one that I'm going to be reaching for. And it's a bummer because my Ipsy glam bag for the month I was not very happy with, and of the few makeup products that I got, this one I am already not liking. So if you've tried out this blush or any other products from Formula Z, I would love to hear in the comments down below what you think of them. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.